Today I will explain about the grids, how we can able to create the duplicate grids and how we can able to changes in the duplicate grids and how we can able to apply that. Okay. So first of all, I can go to architectural menu and you can able to get from the grid. So here I can draw the grid, right? So here you can able to see here, this is the bubble, but here it's not visible. Okay. So you can just select, go to properties, edit type. Here you can able to find out the type property. So this is the family. Here you can able to find out the type. So if you want, you can able to go to create your own name. Okay. So you can duplicate the name grade 001. Okay. So here it's changed. Now you can able to select the grid color, line color, and here you can able to find out the symbols. It's showing only one, standard one. So after that, here you can able to find out the plan view symbols end one default. So you can select this one also. Okay, and apply. So now you can able to see the here is automatically changed. Right. So I can just select to copy one, two, three, four. Right. Now I can go to choose my annotation tab. Here I can check the measurement. So here it's different between distance. So if you want, you can just select, go to EQ, equal. Again, you can select, go to property and change the formula, or you can able to change the value. Right now it's showing like this. Okay. Now how you can able to select or how you can able to change the radius of these bubbles. So when you select, go to edit, here you cannot find anything here. Okay, so no options. So what you have to do is you can go to find out in the project browser, go to family. In the family, you can find out annotation symbols. In the annotation symbols, you can find out grid head. Okay, grid head circle. So I can just drag it a little bit. So now you can able to find out this one. So here standard, you can just right click, go to type properties. Here you can able to see this is showing 6.5. So I can go to find out 4 and apply. So now you can able to see this one. Now it's already changed it like a 4. Okay. So this is the way we can create the grid as per our style. So if you want, you can just right click, go to duplicate. Okay. Here you can make it your under your name. You can create the duplicate grid 001. Okay. Here you can just right click, go to type property. In the type property, you can find out here it's showing 4. So if you want, you can go for 5. Here you can create the associate global parameter. Okay, associate global parameter. I will let you know later how you can create the parameters here. Now I can just press OK. Now you can go back to select this one. Go to find out this. It's under your name. Go to edit type. Here, before you remember, I show you it's showing only one. Now you can able to see it's showing your model also. Okay. So you can able to select and OK. So it's automatically changing the size. So there is no option we can able to create this changes. Okay. So go to family and you can make it like this. So you can able to create the grids, verticals and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal. So if you want, you can able to go to change the alphabetic and select go to edit type and change your name. It's done. After that, as usual, you can go to copy to multiple and you can create it. So this is the way we can duplicate our grid and styles and we can able to apply this one to our project. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.